Alright guys, looks like I have an issue with my parking brake on this right rear side. This lever here up top should be right up against this stop point when the parking brake is not engaged. As you can see, it's probably corroded inside here. So when I tap up on this, it will go up. So you can see it's resting on that top stop there. When I engage the parking brake, this will pull down but it won't release the whole way. So it's probably due to corrosion inside here, so I'm going to take this off and try to lube it up a little bit. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is remove this 13mm bolt. Or nut, I mean. Now that allows us to pop this arm off, and then we can try to get behind that rubber seal and lube it up a little bit. Okay, I managed to get the lever loose. As you can see, there's some rust on the back of there. So what I did is I tapped on this back side with a screwdriver. I used the hammer. Just put it here like this, hit it a few times, and then it broke free. If you look on the back side, you can see all that rust and corrosion. So I'm going to try to lube this up, but I might end up needing a new caliper. So we'll see. I mean, these are the originals. This car is a 2001, so they're about 20 years old. So I'll try to lube it up though and see what it does. Okay, so what I'm doing is shooting some WD-40 behind this rubber seal and trying to get it back in there to help free this up a little better. So if you just take your straw and stick it in behind here, you can get it in there pretty good and kind of flush all this rust and crud out. You can see it all. So I do that a few times and then we will put it back together. Okay, I'm ready to install this. I did wire brush all the corrosion off of here and applied a light thin coat of grease to help prevent any more corrosion. And now when you put this back on, make sure that your parking brake is not engaged because you need this cable loose. And then this will rest up against this stop here, just like when you took it off. Because this thing has splines on it, so it has to line up correctly. So make sure you put your cable on first, down below here. Slide this on like so, and then you can adjust this. Okay, so once you get that on there, you just push it on the rest of the way. And it might be a little tricky to line it up, but with some patience, you will get it. Alright, so everything's back together. Now let's try this out here. Go ahead and engage the parking brake. Okay. Okay, you can see the parking brake is engaged. Now let's release it. Yeah, it's a little better, but it still didn't come the whole way up to its stopping point. It might need some assistance with the hammer. If I hit on here with a hammer, it'll lift it up in my hand. Yeah, there it goes. So another option would be to buy these springs. They connect in these holes here, and it helps to assist this lever back up into its neutral position. So they're cheap too, so that's another option. You can buy those and do that, and then you don't have to worry about this unless it corrodes so bad that it just locks up. But I think I'm going to go ahead and replace this caliper anyway. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps. Take care.